أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now, so this is our second topic on al-madkhal ila sarf al-arabi, which is ma yadkhuluhu sarf wa ma la yadkhuluhu. Ma yadkhuluhu sarf. What a sarf means, it means what? Don't forget, a sarf means change. It means what? Change. So ma yadkhuluhu sarf. What change enters? What change enters? So ma yadkhuluhu, dakhala means to enter. So ma yadkhuluhu sarf. What change enters? That is what it concerns with. What this sarf for? This change as a topic, as a course. What it's concerned with. What it enters. Wa ma la yadkhuluhu, and what it does not enter. So this la, it negates, is for negation. That is what it does not enter. So ma yadkhuluhu sarf. Basically, this topic is on what sarfu is concerned about, and what it does not have business with. So that is that. So وَلَقَدْ عَرَفْنَا أَنَّ مَعْنَى الصَّرْفِ لُغَةً التَّغْيِيرُ. We've already known that معنى صرف, the meaning of صرف, the meaning of what? صرف لغة, literally, هو التغيير. It means what? It means changing. التغيير. From our first topic, we looked at the meaning of صرف, the definition of صرف لغة, literally, واصطلاحا and technically. But لغة الصرف هو ماذا؟ هو التغيير. The meaning of صرف literally is what? Is changing something, changing a word, whether it's a verb or is what is or is a noun. Changing it from one position to the other. So we've already looked at that. We've looked at that and we explained it. So إذن therefore كان الصرف يدخل الأسماء الأسماء. Therefore صرف as a cause, صرف is concerned with al-asma, names. This is the first thing, names. التي تتغير, that what? That change. It concerns with name that change. والأفعال, and nouns. This fi'l, jamu of af'al, jamu of fi'l. Then asma, jamu, plural of ismu. So don't forget, sarfu yadkhulu al-asma, it enters al-asma. It concerns with what? Al-asma, names, allati tatagayyar, that are changeable, that can change from one position to the other. Are you getting it? So wal af'al, and verbs allati tatagayyar, that also change. It concerns with names that change, and what? And verbs that what? That also change. So from that now you can induce that sarfu as a cause is concerned with names that are changeable and verbs that are changeable. ولا يدخل ما لا يتغير. ولا يدخل ما لا يتغير. So is not concerned with things that are not changeable, names and verbs that are not changeable, because we have names that are changeable, we have names that are not changeable, we have verbs that are changeable and verbs that are not changeable. So sarfu as a cause is concerned with changeable ones among the names and the verbs. So yadkhulu sarf al-af'al al-mutasarrifa. So sarfu enters verbs al-mutasarrifa. You can see verbs al-mutasarrifa that are changeable, that can change, wal asma al-mutamakkina, and names that can change. Wala yadkhulu al-af'al ghayra al-mutasarrifa, and it does not enter, is not concerned with al-af'al, verbs ghayra al-mutasarrifa, that are not what, that are not changeable. So it doesn't have business with this. Wal asma ghayra al-mutamakkina, and also names that are not what, that are not changeable. So that is what Sarfu is concerned with. So that is that. So we are looking at names that are changeable, those names that are changeable, and those names that are not changeable. And also we are looking at verbs that are changeable and verbs that are not changeable. So these are verbs that are changeable. Al-af'al al-mutasarrifa. Al-mutasarrifa means, al-mutasarrif means something to be what? To be changeable. Mean tasarrafa yatasarrafu tasarrufan mutasarrif. Mutasarrif. So it has the same meaning with what? Mutamakkin. That's why we use it differently. We use al-mutasarrif for af'al. We usually say al-af'al al-mutasarrifa. So al-mutasarrifa is mostly used for what? For af'al. It's possible for us to say al-af'al al-mutamakkina, but it's not used like that. Al-mutasarrifa is used for af'al, while al-mutamakkina is used for what? Is used for asma. So these are al-af'al al-mutasarrifa. Al-af'al, verbs al-mutasarrifa that can change, verbs that can what, that are changeable. So al-af'al allati tatasarraf, that is it, that's what is there. Al-af'al, verbs allati, that tatasarraf, that changes, that change. Wal af'al, and verbs gayrul mutasarrifa, that cannot change. Gayrul mutasarrifa, that cannot change. So these are verbs that can change. So what do you mean by al-af'al al-mutasarrifa? What do you mean by the kelma? Here al-af'al, these are verbs allati tatasarraf. You can see it now. Allati tatasarraf. So if you see anything that tatasarraf, yansarif, things and tasrif, things like that, it means what? Changing. Are you getting it? It is related to change. You can see this, the kelma sarfu is here, is embedded here. We can see sod, we can see raw, we can see fa. You can see that. So verbs that are what, that can change, that can move. Are you getting it? So I yadkhulu has sarf. That is I. That is yadkhulu has sarf. Sarfu can enter it. Can enter it. Sarfu can enter what? Can enter the verbs. That is, it can penetrate it. It can make it change. Change can occur to that verb. Example of those verbs are what? Like doraba. Doraba. You can see doraba now can change. When I ask you to do the tasrif, to change doraba from one place to another, you can change it like doraba, yadribu, dorban, doribun, madrubun, idrib la tadrib. We are still going to look at that later. Are you getting it? But just know that doraba is what? Is a changeable verb. It's a changeable verb. So alima also can also change. Alima ya'lam, ilman, alim, ma'lumun, ilam la ta'lam, and things like that. So morido means to be sick. You can make sure you check all these meanings yourself. So make sure you check them yourself. Very important, knowing the meaning of the verbs. So morido means to be sick. Then kabbara can also change. It can also change from one place, from madi to mudari, from mudari to masdar, from masdar to ism fa'il, to ism maf'ul, to amr and nahy, things like that. So kabbara, yukabbiru, takbir, and you can see it's changing. It's changing from one place to another. So akrama can also change istighfara. Yastaghfiru, istighfara, mustaghfir, mustaghfar, istaghfir, la tastaghfir. So we've looked at how with verbs, we've looked at verbs that can change. These are verbs that can change, and we have a lot of verbs that can change. So let's look at al-af'al ghayr mutasarrifa, verbs that cannot change. Here al-af'al al-jamida. They are verbs. These are verbs al-jamida that are stagnant, that cannot move from one position to the other. It cannot move from one position to the other. They are just jamid. التي لا تتصرف. That لا تتصرف cannot change. I لا يدخلها صرف. That is, صرف cannot penetrate them. صرف, change, cannot occur to those verbs. Are you getting it? صرف لا يدخلها cannot occur to them. Examples of that are laysa. Laysa is a verb that cannot change. فعل غير متصرف. فعل غير متصرف is a verb that cannot change. You cannot change laysa. As I change doraba, you can see doraba, I change doraba from doraba, yadribu, dorban, doribun, madrubun, idrib, la tadrib. So I cannot equally change laysa like that. Laysa is not changeable. I cannot say laysa, yelisu, laysan, laisun. No, that is rubbish, absolutely rubbish. So you cannot change laysa. You cannot change nima. Nima, you cannot change it. Like nima al-walad, and you cannot change bi'isa al-walad. So it's just nima. If you are using it directly. It's not something you can change from madi to mudari to amr. So all these verbs are what? They are gayru mutasarrif. Gayru mutasarrifa. So let's look at names that are changeable and names that are not changeable. Al-asma al-mutamakkina. You can say mutamakkina is used for names. Mutamakkina, this kelma, mutamakkina is used for names. Why mutasarrifa is used for what? It's used for verbs. Don't forget that. It's very important. While asma gayru al-mutamakkina are names that cannot change. Gayru, that cannot change. So these are al-asma allati tatasarraf. Ay yadkhuluha as-sarf. Al-asma mutamakkina, they are names al-asma allati tatasarraf, that change. They are names that change. Ay yadkhuluha as-sarf, that is sarf, change rather. That is change. Sarfu yadkhuluha can occur to them. Change can occur to them. So like rajulun now, rajulun can change. Rajulun is a changeable verb. Rajulun, I can change it like rajulun, rajulani, rijalun. You can see it's changing. Rajulun, rijalin, rajulun, rajulani, rijalun, rujailun, and things like that. So asadun, it can change. Baytun, muslimun, Rawdatun, Bustan. All these names, they are what? Asma'un mutasarrifa. So these are this one now, al-asma ghayru mutamakkina, names that cannot change. Al-asma allati la tatasarraf. These are names that cannot change. Ay la yadkhuluha sarf. That is, sarf, change, cannot occur to them. Change cannot occur. So it is not part of the concern of sarf. Sarf is not concerned with all this now. Ana, sarf have no business with it. Allazi, no business. Man, no business. Anta, allati, and ma. They are names. Let's look at them